everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Salesforce Hunt. This is Rohit and today I'm going to show you the latest things or like interesting things inside this JS, right? JavaScript. So if you are new in this channel, so please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates and please watch this video until end if you want to learn something new. And let's get started without any further delay. So for now, if you have like this kind of project, so I already created one HTML file and one JS file. So this is a simple like a JS project. Under this one you have to create two files if you want to inject this JS file inside this one that is called HTML, so you can create separately file, right? Today I'm going to show you how to add the CSS inside console.log. So if you want to learn these things, so you can learn here and you can do some practice based on this video, right? So how to do that, let me show you here. So this is a small snippets about the HTML and how to inject this JS file inside this HTML. Very simple. So this is the always good practice, so always use like script tag script, then you can use like src, and then src we already use this file in same direct slash and something like that, so you can directly use this like app.js. so let me save this and let me add some like JS code here. Let's say alert, and let me add like one here. Let me check this file is added here or not, and let me save this and let me start this part. And like this is the live server. You can download this extension if you want to learn, and now immediately you can see one here. Why? Because we already added alert here in line number 1 like 1. That's why you can see here this is the local host here. Okay, so let me do that one thing here. This is the alert, and my intention is of this video how to use console.log and how to add CSS inside this console.log class, right? Console is the object and log is the method. So how to provide this CSS inside this console.log? So very simple, just you have to do one thing. You have to create one variable, let's say const, right? Const my style, right? And let's say you can give any style as you want, let's say background color or like font size and font weight, right? So let me tell you here like background color, let me add some CSS like background color red, right? And color this one, and font size 20 and font weight this one, and you can see each and every CSS property in this one, right? But how to use console.log using this style? So I will tell you here. First of all, let me show you this console.log, right? Like this. So basically console.log useful for the developer purpose, right? So if you want to debug something, so always use this console.log. so how to use that, let me show you here. First of all, so if you want to print something, let's say Rohit, and let me save this, and if you want to open the console, just Ctrl+Shift+I in Google Chrome, and if you are using Windows, so you can press this Ctrl+Shift+I and immediately you can see my name here. But my intention is how to use this style inside my like console.log. so we can use this style here. Just you have to do one thing, let's say here, right? So let me add this one, Rohit Kumar, something like that. So percentile C basically used for this styling, and it's telling me please use this style with this notation. So once you write this name in your console, immediately this style automatic apply into this text. So let me save this, and now you can see immediately in the console Rohit Kumar and background color red, and this text color has green, and some like font size and like font weight. So let me do that some changes here. Let's say color, I need white color, so you can write like white, save it, right? Immediately you can see like Rohit Kumar in white color, right? You can change the background color as well, let's say blue, and just let me save this, and immediately you can see the Rohit Kumar as blue here. And also you can increase the font size, let's say 50 pixels. So let me save this. Now immediately you can see, right? So you can apply, this is the some small tricks and tips about this styling inside this console.log. So guys, I hope you learned something new in this video. If you got some ideas about this styling, so please subscribe the channel, and please hit the like, share and comments button, and please stay tuned. And till then, bye bye, take care, see ya. Thank you for watching guys.